hello here from the Label Expo show in Barcelona for the first time. I'm here with Uffe Nielsen from Graphisch Maskenfabrik, GM.
Correct.
It's always pleasure to see you at the show. Can we just start talking about the industry itself first? So what are the latest trends in finishing equipment that you're seeing here?
So we see the drive in automation, and especially affordable automation. It's clear that there are less and less people to operate the presses in the print shop. So people are looking for an affordable way to make the production more efficient. So all the things you can do to have less people in the print shop, that's what is driving the trend today.
Okay, how do you see this trend? Do you see this trend developing in the next few years?
Yes, depending on what region you are in. Some regions are harder hit. I just did a business tour in Japan, and in Japan it's a real issue having the amount of operators needed to run production. So they're really looking into what can we do to automate the print process.
Right. And in terms of the people you're meeting here today and throughout the show, the converters, they're coming in, looking at your equipment. What are the first questions like? Is it the price? Is it productivity? Is it the speed? What's the most important thing for them at the moment?
So they always come in and ask, "Dear Uffe, what's the new thing this year?"
Right.
After that they ask, "How much is it?" And what's driving it this year is digital embellishment. So we are showing some amazing stuff with digital varnish and digital foil, and that's really helping in the print shops, because doing that before would require a specialist in screen printing, and these are the dinosaurs. They are hard to get. So having something where you can load a PDF and do the same amazing artwork, that's really a trigger.
So what are the machines on the show here? What are you bringing over to Barcelona?
So we are bringing three highlights. First of all, we have the digital foil. Then we have our full automated turret, talking into the automation trend.
Right.
And then the laser. This year, it's just there's a crowd around this laser all the time, especially in these super short runs, stacking like 100 jobs in one roll. It's really the laser team. They're so busy all the time answering questions. How is that laser working? So that's really a surprise.
So perhaps maybe instead of just talking about the machine, you having them here, could you give us a little show around and show us what's the most important thing on the stand?
I would love to. So here we are next to our laser. That's really one of the highlights at the show, doing zero waste job changeover and ease of operation. That's key in today's label finishing. The most important part is what you can see here. The machine is changing job all the time. So just different jobs going all the time, not just the layout and the graphics, but the whole cutout form is changing all the time, and that's regulated on a barcode. Also, the machine has automatic registration, so it looks where it's cutting and then it corrects the cutting position automatically. So as you see here, there is a bunch of people looking at the machinery, and it's especially this small compact finisher we have. We call it the Mini, and it has a very efficient semi-automatic turret here that will cut straight between the labels and reduce the changeover time from around half a minute to just 5 seconds. So it's this kind of simplified, compact, smart equipment that makes the daily life in a print shop more easy, and that's really driving a crowd in, as you can see. So it's always a pleasure showing these new innovations. So here we are next to our new launch of the automatic turret. So this is a full automatic glueless turret that also closes each row with an individually printed label. So this is really the top of the line in automation. It will connect with a workflow solution like CERM or another graphic workflow. So you can follow the digital path from the PDF to the actual print in the entire production with a full automated workflow. So now we are in front of our digital embellishment and foiling unit. It's going to make labels exactly like this one. So it's everything what's difficult in an analog process, we can do just with a PDF now. What's good about this module is the ease of use and the compactness. This frame is just 1.6 meters, and it will fit into any of our existing presses as a retrofit or as a new line. So it's specifically targeted at the wine and spirits labels, where we are looking at short run, ease of use, and you can see here the result that's coming out. I mean, it's really high quality when we are printing stuff like this. So it's at this Label Expo, it's really been a pleasure to be able to show machinery like this.
Fantastic. Thank you very much for your help, Uffe. Thank you for the walk around, and we'll be looking into exciting developments in years to come.
Thank you. You're most welcome.